If you're grinding away trying to snag leads online and it feels like you're running uphill in quicksand, stick around for just a sec. I've just launched a new course called the Lead System Blueprint. Now, before I give you a little taster of what's on the inside, I wanted to play this WhatsApp message I got from Mike, who was blown away with the course. Here's what Mike had to say.
Hi, Jeremy. Well, I've just been through all your modules, one after the other, and I must say it's amazing. I mean, what you've done here is fantastic. Even a donkey could do it. But yeah, I've just watched them all, and so now later on today I'll start, implementing it and building up a system. But yeah, amazing. And this chat, GPT, amazing, isn't it? Absolutely amazing. So I'm looking forward to getting this going. And yeah, and yeah, okay. Well, we'll catch you later. And well done, fantastic.
This course will build you a system that generates you leads on a daily basis so that you can use them leads for any business whatsoever. So let me just give you a little example of what you're going to get inside this lead system. Now, when it comes to generating leads, you need what's called a lead magnet. Your lead magnet is like a post that you put on social media where you give away something for free. Now, for the person looking at your ad, if they're interested in getting your free gift, they're going to click a link and they're going to go to what's called a landing page. There, they're going to put their email address in and they're going to be added to your list. The money's in the list. I'm sure you may have heard that many, many times before. And I'm going to show you how to set up a lead magnet, how to set up a landing page, and how you will build your list on a daily basis on autopilot 24/7. We're going to use AI to assist you in setting up everything, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm going to take you step by step in this course. Now, if you're interested in getting access to this course, it's very simple. Below this video, you're going to find a link. Click that link. It's going to take you over to this page, and you'll see there's a big blue button there to get instant access. It's a one-time payment of just £25. It's not a monthly payment. You pay one time, you'll have lifetime access to this amazing course. And just like Mike said in his WhatsApp message, even a donkey could do this. It's a system that's going to build you leads on autopilot. Take your business to the next level and click the link below, and I'll see you on the inside. You have a great day and speak to you soon in another video. Bye now.